everybody, welcome back. My name's Sydney if you're new, welcome. Today's video is going to be super iconic because we are going to be reviewing the one, the only Jeffree Star Cosmetics new Alien palette. So recently actually let me do the intro because what is a Jeffree Star video without the iconic Jeffree Star intro? What's up everybody? How does it go? What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? I love that. I think it's so cute. I love Jeffree Star. He is amazing. He's super talented, super funny. I could tell from the beginning, yes, he's had his drama and blah blah this and blah blah that, but overall he is a wonderful person and I can really look up to him as an inspiration and someone who has gone from nothing to something. I love how he doesn't care what anyone thinks and just does whatever he wants. And yeah, I've never actually tried his makeup line before, so this will be the first. I got this from the Morphe store in Las Vegas because I recently went to Las Vegas for my 21st birthday and they had a Morphe store there, so I had to stop by because they don't have one here in Atlanta. So I got this, a lot of other stuff, and I actually got a few of these for a giveaway. I'm not sure when I'm gonna film my Morphe haul giveaway video, but it should be either before this video or after, so just be on the lookout for that. If it is before this video, I'm gonna link the how to enter all this stuff in the description box below. I'm super excited to dip into this palette. If you look at it, I believe it's 18 shades. Oh, it's so pretty. I swatched them and they were all beautiful, but I have learned that swatches on the hand don't really matter because it doesn't really, a swatch could be terrible on the hand but then look beautiful on the eyes. So I've just learned to not really care about swatches on your hand and whatnot and just put it on the eye and see how it works for yourself. I find that to work better than to judge a palette by its swatches and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to dip into this palette. It also comes with a ginormous mirror that I love. Packaging, killed it. He killed the game with this packaging. I think it's so Jeffree Star. I think it's so cute and pink and it's amazing. So packaging, A+. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to dip into this purple and this green. Alien is calling my name. I recently watched James Charles and Jeffree Star's palette swap, and I love how James did his eyeshadow with this palette, so I'm gonna use that as inspiration. I'm not really sure exactly which colors he used in which order, but I'm gonna just guess and try to not copycat, but use it as inspiration to do the look that I'm about to do. So let's just go ahead and get started with the makeup look. Also, sorry, this is the longest intro ever. I also picked up his liquid lipsticks in the shade Mannequin, and it's a really pretty nude-ish color, so I'm probably gonna pair this with the makeup look I come up with. So yeah. Okay, to prime the lids, I'm just gonna be using the MAC Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. I heard that using this type of eyeshadow primer makes the eyeshadows come out super pigmented, especially with pressed pigments. It works better if you have an eyeshadow primer like this one. Now, I usually set my eyeshadow primer, but I'm not going to because I want this look to look super, super pigmented. First, I'm going to be taking the shade Area 51, which is a gorgeous purple. I'm really excited to put this on my lid only because I know, well, I don't know personally, but I've heard that it's super hard to come up with a purple eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack this on the outer corner. This purple is super pigmented. I can already tell that this is a bomb shadow. Congrats, Jeffree, because this is a great purple eyeshadow. And then with the same brush, I'm just gonna be lightly blending out the edges of this shadow because I don't want the edges to look crazy. And also, I want this to be kind of winged out. I don't usually do a winged out look that often with shadows because I'm not good at it, but we're gonna see how this turns out. Makeup is supposed to be fun, so why not just play around and yeah. All right, and then I'm just going to take a blending brush and go with From Home, I think is how you pronounce it. From Home. I don't know, I'm terrible at pronouncing shade names. Y'all already know if you've seen any of my last videos, but I'm terrible at pronouncing anything, so bear with me. I'm just gonna use this to blend out all of that purple shadow, and I didn't wash this brush, so whoops. I don't want to lose that purple color, so I'm just gonna keep adding more Area 51. Wow, that is super pretty. I like how it's turning out so far. This is gonna be like a different eyeshadow look for me because I usually stick to the reds, the oranges, the golds, the coppers, all those types of shades. So using like a purple and like this green I'm about to put on my lid is gonna be really different for me. I'm just gonna be using this paint pot to cut the crease. I'm not really good with cut creases, but we're gonna try for this video. So to blend out that cut crease, I'm just gonna be using a little more of Area 51 just to blend that out. Next, I'm gonna be taking the color Alien and I'm gonna be squirting it with just, I'm gonna be spraying it with just a little bit of setting spray and just pack that to the center of my lid. Oh my gosh, this green is so pretty. Now, after that color is laid down, I'm gonna actually take the color UFO and put it in the inner part of my lid because I knew that was gonna be a pretty color. I'm getting like Mardi Gras vibes from this eyeshadow palette. I don't know why, but look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, and then I'm just gonna take the shade Moon Rock and I'm gonna place it right here to blend the purple and the green together. All of the shimmer shades are absolutely beautiful in this palette and I need some more spray. There we go. And then I'm just going to blend that out with no additional product on the brush I used to put down Area 51. I don't know if I said this in the beginning, but I've never tried Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so this is like a first impressions of his like cosmetic line. And if his other palettes are as good as this one, then I'm definitely gonna purchase more. I was deciding on Blood Sugar, I think is the name, because it's such a gorgeous palette and it's my kind of colors for sure. But after trying this palette, I think for sure I'm gonna order that palette like literally as soon as I'm done recording. I'm gonna add a little bit of Black Hole to the outer corner just because I wanna deepen this look up a little. And then go back in with a little tiny bit of Area 51 to just blend that black out. Okay, and then in the inner corner, I want to put just a little bit of Pluto right there to make this eyeshadow look pop. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Okay, even though that these are not my type of colors, I kind of think this looks really cool and out of my comfort zone, but honestly, I love it. And all of these colors I've used so far work really well. So I'm just gonna finish this eye off camera and the rest of my face makeup, put on some lashes, and then I'll be back for the lower lash line. All right, now that I have the face makeup done, we can go ahead and do the lower lash line. Let's see what I want to do for the lower lash line. I think I'm just going to take the shade Area 51 and put it in my lower lash line. I need a mirror. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of Black Hole and just focus that closer to the lash line and closer to the outer corner. Okay, I usually like adding a little bit of color like right here to the inner corner area. So I'm just gonna take UFO and just spray it. Oh, my eyes are watering. And then just place that in the inner corner area, like so. And then I want to add, sorry, I haven't done my inner highlight or the brow bone highlight, so I'm just gonna be taking Pluto and just putting that right in the inner corners to make it pop like so. and then adding a little, oh, that's pigmented, to the brow bone. All right, now I'm just gonna add a little bit of Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner in the lower lash line, and then pop on some mascara. I'm just gonna be using my favorite mascara, which is the Dior Show waterproof version, and it's in the blackest black. A little bit of setting spray. And then I actually wanted to show y'all this little thing that I have. It's brand new, if I can find it. So I actually wanted to show y'all this new thing I got. It's like this little fan that hooks up into an iPhone. I'm pretty sure they have them for other phones also, but I like it. So you just plug it in and it starts to go. So when I spray my face, I can just use this to make my face dry. Okay, now that is the completed look. My overall thought of the Alien palette is that it is amazing. These are colors that I would never think I would wear, but I actually like how this turned out. I mean, I wouldn't wear it on an everyday basis, but it's super beautiful. The colors are different, but pigmented, and the shimmer shadows blend out very well. And I just love the color scheme, and everything about this palette is wonderful. So congratulations to Jeffree for coming out with such a bomb eyeshadow palette. I definitely will be using this, and I feel like I could get a lot of looks out of this, like this color right here with like gray and black and brown. I feel like I would be able to come up with a more like everyday look with this palette also. On my lips, I actually mixed together a Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Trendsetter and the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Mannequin, and I love this combination. For trying Jeffree Star Cosmetics for the first time and trying the Alien palette and one of his liquid lipsticks, I approve so much. I think his products are amazing by these two products. I don't know about everything, but these two products, his liquid lipsticks and eyeshadow palette, is amazing. I say go get it. And don't forget, because I am doing a giveaway with these palettes, either on my next video or on my video previous to this, so just keep an eye out. It was really fun trying out a new brand and trying new products. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!